In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Substack subscriptions. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a devoted reader, managing your Substack subscriptions effectively can enhance your experience and ensure you never miss a beat. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Substack's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to substack.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. This is as easy as entering your email address and password. If you've forgotten these details, just follow the prompts to recover them. Once logged in, your next step is to head over to your profile. You'll find your profile picture located conveniently in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, you want to select Settings. This will lead you to the heart of all your account management features, where you can customize various aspects of your Substack experience. Now scroll down gently until you reach the subscriptions section. This is the area where all subscription related tasks will be handled, providing a clear overview of what you have and where you can make the changes you need. Here in the subscription section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your active subscriptions, both free and paid. This offers a clear snapshot of what you're currently following and paying for, which is helpful for ensuring you're subscribed only to what interests you. If you come across a subscription you no longer want, cancelling a paid subscription is straightforward. Simply find the subscription you wish to cancel and follow the on-screen prompts to end it. Keep in mind though, any charges or refunds will be subject to Substack's policies, so it's always a good idea to read through those first. Now let's talk about updating payment methods. This can be crucial if you've got a new credit card or want to change the funding source for your subscriptions. It's as simple as navigating to the payment section and entering your updated details. Substack makes this process secure and user-friendly, which is always a relief. For those who might have cancelled a subscription but are feeling a change of heart, resubscribing is completely doable. Simply find the publication in your subscription history and click to resubscribe. This ensures you won't miss any new content from your favourite creators. Lastly, let's touch on notifications. Staying on top of new content and updates from your subscriptions is essential. You have the option to turn notifications on or off depending on your preference. Whether you want to get notified immediately about new posts or prefer to check in manually, the power is firmly in your hands. By following these steps, you're fully equipped to manage your Substack subscriptions effectively. It can significantly enhance your reading and writing journey by keeping everything organized and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy subscribing.